Present the latest version of your slides in Teams using PowerPoint Live. So I have a Teams meeting open on my screen here, and I also have a PowerPoint file open as well. I am going to share the PowerPoint file. I'm going to click on the share button in Teams. But instead of sharing my screen, what I'm actually going to do is I am going to go down here to share the PowerPoint file via PowerPoint Live. If you haven't done this before, you may need to scroll down and browse to a file before you will see all of these files coming up. Okay, so PowerPoint Live is now opening. Okay, so what PowerPoint Live does is it opens a copy of this file on everybody else who is in the Teams meeting on their computers. Okay. So I'm not going to go through the whole details of PowerPoint Live. I do have another video that goes to that. I'm going to link that in the comments. But the feature I want to show you is how you're going to present an updated copy of that file. Okay, so I'm going to go to the file itself now, the actual PowerPoint file, and I'm going to make some changes. So I'm going to take this highlighted text here. I'm just going to make this full screen now for the moment. But let's just go into the table and we'll maybe change the shading because that's quite an obvious thing that we're going to see. And maybe we're going to say decrease the font size here a little bit. Okay, so we're going to pop those back like that, and let's highlight another row. Again, this is just easy for us to see from a visual perspective in PowerPoint Live. Okay, so I'm going to bring this back over here. So I've made those updates, which will be quite obvious for us to see. And now when I go over to my Teams meeting, along the toolbar here, we have this new button here, which is called Present the Latest Version. So when I click on that, PowerPoint Live is just going to show up on the screen for a few moments. And look, we can see those changes pulled straight through, but we also get a message saying that we're presenting the latest version. Isn't that fantastic? So imagine we're doing something like a town hall and we've just got some new information brought through. It means that one of my colleagues could update that file. They could let me know to update the presentation and click on that button to then pull through the latest version, present the latest version of that file. You can see that happened there in real time. So that's an absolutely fantastic new addition to PowerPoint Live. One other thing I want to point out, because a lot of people miss this one in PowerPoint Live when they're using it, is private view. If it does not have a line going through it, okay, so now it has a line going through it. Once that line is going through it, it means that my audience are going to automatically stay on the same slide that I'm presenting. If it doesn't have the line through, if it's like this, then my audience can be on a different slide to the one I'm presenting. So the question I ask is, do you want your audience following along the same slide as you, or do you want them to be able to navigate through before and after the slides that you're presenting? So that's it for the new update, and just a little extra there on the private view. So we have got the new option, present the latest version in PowerPoint Live. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do subscribe if you're on YouTube, and please connect with me if you're watching on LinkedIn.